hope you're having fun wherever you are. I'm so excited. I'm in Sharks. I'm having a lot of fun. Guys, I'm so sorry. I know I've taken so long before I posted, but I've just been so busy. But I'm back. I'm here, guys. So in today's video, it's going to be a very interesting video. We're going to talk about moisturizing your hair. Not really talking, showing you how I make my moisturizer and showing you how I moisturize my hair. I do that once a day. Mostly I do it in the morning because when I go out, sun and all that, so I prefer doing it in the morning. But it's also advisable to also moisturize your hair in the evening before you go to bed. You just kidogo kidogo towards the ends, you put on your satin bonnet like this. If you want one, link me up. I have a lot of these satin bonnets that I'm selling. Just link me up. I'll be leaving my details there. If you're interested in such a satin bonnet, just look for me, guys. It's very healthy to sleep with this. It's very healthy for your hair, for you. Yeah, it's good. It's important. So guys, let's just go into the video. And so these are the ingredients that we'll be needing: water, onions, and the aloe vera, and a few things that we'll be using, of course, knife, grater. If you don't have a blender, it's not a must you have a blender. You should be having water, you should be having a sieve, just to make the solution that you've made easier to apply on your hair. So yes, my people, those are the simple things that you need to make your hair moisturizer. You don't need to complicate things. These things, you can get them at very cheap prices. You can get them anywhere. Onions go at a very cheap price. For those who live uko Ushago, you can get aloe vera in anyone's shamba. Yes, so they're not expensive things. Anyone can just afford them. And I like this solution for your hair because it just works magic for you. Go and try out this moisturizer. Try it out because I did it on me. It worked for me. Go try out and let's hear what you have to say, guys. So let's continue making the moisturizer.